Hello, welcome to another session where we are going to look at how to create a dashboard in Microsoft Excel. Now, I want to believe that you already know how to create pivot tables as well as the pivot charts. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, there is a video where I was teaching about how to create pivot tables as well as the pivot charts. So you can watch that video, and once you are satisfied, you can now proceed and watch this video. Okay, now a dashboard is simply a visual representation of key metrics that gives you a quick view and also allows you to analyze your data from one place. So if you look at the information that I have here, if I want to view this information, I'm supposed to move from one tab to another, okay, in order for me to view this information. So so you click on the tab in order to view the information. Okay, now by creating a dashboard, you can place all this information there, and you can access all this information on the dashboard minus actually clicking on various tabs to view this information. Okay, so that is the advantage of creating a dashboard. Okay, in organizations we have people who are very busy, like managers, CEOs, who cannot have this time to start clicking on different tabs to view this information. So the best is to place this information on one place where these managers and other stakeholders can simply go there and be able to access and be able to view and analyze the metrics of their business. Okay, now let's see how we can create a dashboard in Microsoft Excel. So the first thing you're supposed to do is to click on the plus button there to add a new worksheet. Okay, so we have our new worksheet there. So once we have it, we are going to rename it and call it dashboard. Okay, so we have dashboard. So we have renamed it. So we can as well give it a color, but that is optional. Okay, if you don't want to do that, you can leave it. Okay, so once you have done that, for the next thing that you're supposed to do for the dashboard, it's good to switch off the grid lines. Okay, so we have switched the grid lines, and once we have done that, now we want to get these charts from these tabs and place them on the dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to get this, I'm going to copy this chart and place it on the dashboard. Okay, just paste it there. Okay, so we have it there. Let's get the next one. Just copy, okay, and paste. Okay, let's get the next one. So we have this one. Let's try to reduce it. Okay, so we have this one. Let's put it under this one. So so we have it there. Okay, so we can try to make it look the same in terms of size with the one on top. Okay, let's get the next tab, the next chart. So we just copy and then we paste. Okay, so we are there. Okay, so we get the last one. Okay, so just paste all of them, okay, on one. Okay, so now we have placed all these all these charts on this worksheet now. Okay, so the next thing that we are supposed to do is to put filters, okay, which can help us to filter out data in case we are just interested in a specific type of data. We should be able to filter. So the next thing that we are going to do is to insert filters. Okay, we did talk about how to insert filters in one of the previous lessons. So just click on the analyze button and then go to insert slicer button there. Okay, so I want to insert two slicers. Okay, I want to be filtering by grade and also year. So just select those two fields and then click on OK. Okay, unfortunately I can't see the OK there, but this is the OK button. Okay, so we have these two filters there. Okay, we have these two filters. These are our filters. So we can filter out data by clicking on the buttons on these filters. Okay, let me just move them a bit. Okay, so you can as well change the slicer styles. Okay, just by clicking on these. Just click here and then you can okay, so now once you do that, okay, let's click on one of the slices and see what's going to happen. So once we click there, we can see that our chart here is changing. Okay, so we can see that once we click here, the information displayed on this chart for pass rate and number of teachers per year, if I click here now, I have only grade 10 there. So this information displayed on this chart here is specifically for grade 10. Okay, the other information for grade 11 and grade 12 has been hidden somewhere. Okay, so you click there, we have now grade 11, we have grade 12. Okay, now if you observe, when I click here, only this chart is being affected. Okay, only this chart is changing, the other charts are not changing. Okay, so now we can link this filter to all the pivot tables so that when we click here, all the charts should be changing, all the charts should be affected. Okay, so let's do that. So you just right click. Okay, just right click on the filter. Okay, and then go to report connections. Okay, click there, and once you are there, now this is going to come. Okay, so the next thing that you are supposed to do is to select all the pivot tables. Okay, so just click on him, just tick all the boxes there. Okay, just tick all the boxes, and that is if you want that filter to be linked to all the pivot tables. If there are some pivot tables that you want not to be linked to that filter there, you can leave them out. But in this case, I want to link all my pivot tables to that filter, so I'm going to select all of them. Okay, and then you say okay. Okay, so once I click here now, you would see that all the charts are changing. Okay, all the charts are changing. Okay, because I've linked all the pivot tables to that filter there. Okay, let's do the same with the other filter there. Okay, so you right click, go to report connections, and then you tick on all the boxes if you want all the pivot tables to be linked to that filter there. Okay, so now if I click on that here there, all the charts are changing. Okay, because I've linked all the pivot tables to this to this filter here. Okay, so let's say I'm interested in the data for grade 12, for grade 12 for the year 2012. So I'll click. So now you can see that I have filtered this data. Okay, I only have now data for grade 12 and for the year 2012. Okay, displayed on all the charts. Okay, so you can see that in this year 2012, grade 12, we recorded 0 pregnancies in the school. Okay, and how many dropouts? 5 dropouts. Okay, so that is how it is. Okay, now let me clear some some filters there. Okay, so now this is the dashboard. Okay, the good part with a dashboard is that all the information will be in one place, so it becomes very easy to view and analyze the metrics of a business, or so of the business. So for people who are busy, like managers, okay, CEOs and the other stakeholders, okay, it becomes very easy for them to access this information, okay, when it is placed on the dashboard, okay, rather than, because they don't have time to start going on the tabs to look for this information. So when information is placed on one place like that, it becomes very easy for managers to analyze this information. Okay, so that is how it is. Okay, so this is what I had prepared for you today. Okay, so I hope that you were able to follow me, and I just hope that you have also enjoyed this lesson. So if you have any question, you can type your question under the comments, and if you have found it helpful, please, you can also write under the comments there. Okay, so that's what I had for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe if you are watching my videos for the first time. Thank you so much. Let's meet next time.